Hello students, I am Dimple Tyagi is here with you again. Now we will discuss about the another topic, that is direct and indirect speech. There are two ways of telling someone about something, that is direct speech or indirect speech. In uh, direct speech, we tell the actual word of the speaker, and in direct speech, we have only given the meaning of what the speaker said. For example, Gopi said, I am tired. This is direct speech. And the second example, Gopi said that he was tired. This is indirect speech. We have said the same thing in the two different ways. The first one is direct speech and the second one is indirect speech. The main changes to be made in indirect speech are explained below. When the reporting verb, example, said, is in the past tense, the verb normally changes as follows. The simple present tense changes to the simple past, or we can say that the first form of the verbs changes into the second form of the verb. The present continuous changes to the past continuous, or we can say that the verb is mr will change into was were, and the present perfect changes to the past perfect, or we can say that has have will change into had, and the simple past changes to the past perfect, or it will stay the same. The simple past means second form of the verb changes into had plus third form of the verb, or it can stay the same. In indirect speech, the will change into would, can changes into could, and may changes into might. The past perfect and the past continuous tense stay the same. There will be no changes in the verb of these tenses. When the reporting verb is in the present tense, the tenses do not change. Look at the example. He says, I am recording the program. Here in this sentence says the reporting verb is in the present tense. So there is no change in the indirect speech. That is, he says he is recording the program. Here the tense is the same. The pronouns and possessive adjective, example my, your, our, change where necessary, so that their relation with the reporter and the hearer rather than with the original speaker are expressed.